I start every day knowing that together we are doing a world good. Knowing that I'm doing a difference on climate change for me is, I don't know how to describe that feeling, but it's made me feel really positive, really useful. I know that every day when I wake up, I'm doing the right thing. There's always something new and something exciting to do, so those are the things that really keep me in. One of the important key into that is being able to work under pressure. You have to adapt to that change and make it happen. And I think I'm still on that path of progress. I'm still thinking I can go further. I think that culture of people at GE being passionate of what they do, that's what drives you. You work with people that really care about you. We have to do what we can while we're here to leave something positive for our children tomorrow. Individually, I have a role to play.